In this video we'll explore how to build a custom styled app using the Mendix platform, which connects with your existing SAP applications using OData Services. We'll cover how to use Atlas UI to build a custom user experience, how to link SAP S/4HANA, SuccessFactors and hybrid services to your app using out-of-the-box connectors from the Mendix App Store, and how to create your own connector using the SAP OData Model Creator. Mendix Atlas UI is the design language that brings great user experiences to your enterprise apps. The framework leverages Bootstrap and SAS, and you can customize Mendix Atlas UI to meet the requirements of your brand guidelines. You can also apply SAP Fiori styling. The Mendix platform comes complete with a theme customizer, which enables non-technical developers to create beautiful looking applications by selecting from a design palette provided by UX and UI designers. Alternatively, a logo can be uploaded and the theme colour palette is automatically derived from it, with no knowledge of HTML or CSS required. Atlas UI includes useful building blocks that combine design, styling, layout and interaction into reusable components that can be dragged and dropped onto the designed canvas to quickly build pages and create the user experience. Here we have a custom styled app where we will retrieve data from an SAP OData service. Pre-built connectors to these SAP services are available to download from the Mendix App Store, allowing you and your development team to quickly integrate into any SAP service. The Mendix App Store is a component library allowing you to share and distribute reusable functionality to help rapidly develop apps. Now I've downloaded the required connectors, I'll create a new microflow which contains the logic needed to retrieve a list of information from the SAP service. The OData connector allows you to use SAP Single Sign-On and SAP Cloud Connector services, which are automatically provisioned if your app is deployed to the SAP Cloud platform. By using the Single Sign-On service, you can centrally control access to your cloud services, and using the Cloud Connector you can securely connect to any SAP data source, including on-premises. Here I am completing the microflow so that it returns a list of objects from the SAP service, and we can see the objects retrieved in the deployed app. You can easily build your own connector by using the SAP OData Model Creator, so you will always be able to meet any business requirements. The SAP OData Model Creator analyzes the XML metadata definition and generates a module package containing all of the entities defined in the XML, ready to be imported into your Mendix application. So, we've shown you how you can create a custom styled app using Atlas UI to build a custom user experience. Utilise SAP connectors from the Mendix App Store, and create your own by using the SAP OData Model Creator. Now, what will you build?